Teddy, how wise are you?
Well, Morgan, I do believe that I am very wise, you ratchet hoe, and that's for never giving me a biscuit.
Holy shit. Grab the wall, wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off. Ass that off.
Are you hungry? Would you like some food?
That's my shirt. Thank you. That's my shirt.
Whisper.
I'm coming.
Okay, you gotta look good for this picture. 1, 2, 3, smile.
And you're ready to get carried down. Ready? Let's go.